Hi, welcome to this week's episode of Learning with Lori. I've had a couple of clients reach out to me recently to ask whether it was worth it for them to install an electric car charger if they're currently not using one themselves, if it would add value if they're considering selling. I think it's one of those things that definitely, if you have a buyer who currently has an electric car or is thinking about buying one in the near future, that it is something that is worth it for them to consider that house maybe over another property. The cost approximately to install a charger in your home, it runs between $500 and $2,000. It's not a huge expense, and it's one of those things I don't know that it's going to add value. It's just going to maybe make your property easier to sell. I would keep in mind to make sure that you are getting it from a reputable place. Make sure that you are getting an electrician to install it for you, and make sure that you get an ESA certificate for it after the fact, because those are all things that when coming to resell your home, to be able to say that those steps have been taken definitely makes it a much more desirable product. My only caveat with it is it's still a new technology, and I don't know if the charging ports, how expensive they are, and whether that, like an Apple plug, is going to change over and over. So that would be the only thing that I would keep in mind if you're considering doing that, just to add value to your home. But it definitely is the way to the future, and definitely just having the electricity in your garage or wherever it's going to be is valuable. Just a couple of things to keep in mind. You do need a 30 to 50 amp, which will take the load of 240 amps, which is similar to a stove or a dryer. That is typically what a car charger needs to run off of. If you need any further information on this, or you're thinking about buying or selling real estate in Durham region, please do not hesitate to give me a call. My name is Lori Roberts, and I'm a full-time real estate broker. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.